Hi all, welcome to another Raster painting. Bit of a weird one this one, because I'm not actually going to do any painting. I'm going to do what I'm best at, which is talking at you. So, I was contacted by a couple of you guys asking a few questions about using self-adhesive masks on your models, and I'm sure a lot of you, especially you Patreon guys, you follow my work, you know I must have been using lots of them. There's some intricate stuff that I'm good, but yeah, I'm not that good. So I want to just talk at you because it's probably going to get way more information across to you than actually showing you. I've got some stuff I've already painted and I'll use that as an example. But let's show you what the masks are first for those of you that have never used them or never seen them. So they're a self-adhesive. Whoa, that's come up weird on that camera. Let's show you under here. They're a self-adhesive vinyl mask and they're all pre-cut, and you can get them from a place called Protect Models. The very famous and well-loved Lee Dalton sells them. He cuts them in all sorts of varieties, shapes and sizes. He also offers the ability for you guys to get some of these bespoke made for you. I will also be having some custom ones available on the Raster Painting website soon. They'll be the ones I'll be using for the dials and some of my bespoke jobs that I've done in the past. So directly tied into Raster Painting. So you can get those from Protect or from me. So let's jump back to a bit of housekeeping on how you use these things. So once again, don't touch them with gloves. You want to use either a metal tool or your fingers. I'm going to use this little sculpting tool and to show you what I mean. So I've picked one up, I've taken it off, I've removed the pieces that I want to spray through. I'll show you under here. As you can see, I've already used this one. This is the sticky side, non-sticky side. So when you place that on the surface you want, just put your finger in the centre and get a nice stick. Now, and if you're sticking on an uneven surface, because I think this is where you're running into trouble with paint bleed, I use a tool called a clay shaper. Let's pop them on here. I think I've showed you these in another video I did about the Wookiee dials, and I use them for sculpting, but they're a very good tool. So they're a rubber-edged brush, and they allow you to push at your mask and to try and actually insert it into some of those dips and crevices and over the high edges of what you're putting it on to create a better bond. But some of the more intricate places you're going to put these are some of the more lumpy and bumpy areas. You're never going to get them flat down, so there will always be slight stand-ups, and the way to get round that is how you attack it with the angle of your paint. So when you're airbrushing just a large area, it doesn't, you know, you're moving your brush about, it's not too important if you hit things at an angle. With this, it's very important you attack it at 90 degrees to the surface. So if this is your surface, your brush is 90 degrees of it. If that's your surface, there's your brush. You want to hit it from the top and you want to mist. So gentle with your paint and gentle with your air pressure. You're probably looking at 15 to 20 pounds. 18's a good number. So you've dropped your pressure a bit because you're just trying to waft the paint gently. So it's light coats and let them dry. You can do 3 or 4 of the same colour. You're better off more than trying to hit it at once. If you hit it with too much pressure or too much paint, that's when you're going to get the bleed. So let me show you a couple of painted examples and I can talk to you just about how great these things are to use. So here's some flames done in blue. Let's move that up a little bit. So standard mask, I've used 3 or 4 colours of blue, started with a really dark, worked all the way up pretty much to white, I do believe. You can get these lovely transitional colours with your airbrush using this method. I'll show you one of the Imperial logos. Again, I've got this lovely, like, patchy, worn, faded reds and oranges in this symbol. So easy to achieve, literally a mask, dark red, medium red, kind of light reddy orange. It would take me hours, take anyone hours to create a balanced geometric shape like that on a model. So don't feel like you're cheating. Whenever you use a specific tool for a job, you're just being intelligent and doing the right things. So I think I've covered everything I need to talk about with masks. Go out, order yourself some, give them a try on something flat first, try them on a bit of plastic card, and then just crack on and enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll be back soon with another one. We're going to be painting some more stuff in the next one, not just me talking at you, because no one needs to look at my face for too long. So anyway, thank you for joining in, and thank you for signing up to the Patreon. Also, if you need anything for your X-Wing needs, check out Weekend Warlords. We've got it all, or if we haven't, we'll get it in for you. Till then, one love everybody, peace.